Lesson number 6, page 28. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Innal hamdalillah wa salatu wa salamu ala Rasulillah. Respected students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the last lesson, on page 26 and page 27, we did the capital letters and also the underscore letters, the small letters, and we read and we came across the different forms of each letters. Today, inshallah, on this page, on page 28, until now, we were reading individual and separate letters. Inshallah, from today, we shall be reading words made up of two letters. So as you can see on page 28, there are 32 boxes, and in every box, there are two letters. And these letters either will be from the beginning of that letter, the beginning shape of that letter, or from the middle shape of that letter, or either from the ending shape of that letter. The way to read these boxes is to read both letters in every box, to read it clearly and in one go and in one breath. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Box number 1, Kaf Mim. Kaf Mim. If you look at the kaf is the beginning shape of the letter kaf, and the letter mim is the ending shape of the letter mim. Box number 2, Baha. Baha. The letter ba is the beginning of the letter ba, the beginning shape, and the ha is the ending shape of the letter ha. Box number 3, Swad Ra. Swad Ra. In this box, in box number 3, the letter Swad is one of the 7 full mouth letters. Box number 4, Tha-Mim. Tha-Mim. This is the letter Tha. Although it has 3 dots, but it is not sheen, but it is Tha. And the reason why we know it is Tha and not sheen, because sheen will have 3 small lines, and this letter only has 1 small line. That's why it is the letter Tha. Box number 5, Qaf Dal. Qaf Dal. The letter Qaf again is one of the 7 full mouth letters. Box number 6, Lam Kaf. Lam Kaf. Right. The letter Lam is a straight line. As you can see, is one straight line. So some people may get confused thinking, is it a lam or is it an alif? Because an alif is also a straight line, and the lam can also be a straight line. So how can we decide whether this is the letter lam or a letter alif? So the answer to that is that because after the letter lam, it is joined to a following letter. So in this box example, the letter lam is joined to the letter kaf. Okay? But the next letter could be anything. The main thing is that the letter lam is joined to a following letter. So if after the letter lam, it is joined to a following letter after it, then this has to be a lam and not an alif. Because why? Alif, if it was an alif, it cannot be joined to the following letter after it. In this box, because it is joined to the following letter, that is why it is lam and not alif. And inshallah, if there's any other examples, I shall show you. Let's move on to box number 7. Swad Mim. Swad Mim. Again, the letter Swad has come again, and this is one of the full mouth letters. Box number 8. ظانون, ظانون. The letter ظا is one of the 7 full mouth letters. Box number 9. Halam, halam. Box number 10. Mim alif, mim alif. Now, in box number 10, the second letter is alif. How do we know whether this is alif or a lam? So the answer is, if it was a lam, because this is the end of a word, if it was a lam, then the lam would come with its original capital letter shape. But over here, it is only a straight line. So this means that this has to be an alif and not a lam. Next box, box number 11. Lam ha, lam ha. Again, because this straight line is joined to the next letter, the following letter, that's why it is a lam and not an alif. Box number 12. Ghain lam, ghain lam. Ghain is one of the full mouth letters, so make sure to pronounce it with a full mouth. Box number 13. Tara, tara. Box number 14. Mim noon, mim noon. Box number 15. Sheen kaf, sheen kaf. Box number 16. Qaf lam, qaf lam. Box number 17. Ya dal, ya dal. Box number 18. Sheen ra, sheen ra. Box number 19. Lam waw, lam waw. In this box, the straight line letter is lam. Why is it lam? Because it is joined to the following letter, which is the waw. Therefore, it makes it a lam and not an alif. Box number 20. Mim seen, mim seen. Box number 21. Ha qaf, ha qaf. This is the heavy H, the heavy ha, which is pronounced from the middle of the throat. Box 22. Haba, haba. Box number 23. Dad lam, dad lam. Again, the letter dad is one of the full mouth letters. Box number 24. Alif noon, alif noon. Now, if you look in this box, the alif is followed by a noon. But we have just learned in one of the boxes earlier on that alif cannot be joined. Alif doesn't allow itself to be joined to the following letter. The following letter is a noon. Because alif is a naughty letter, it doesn't want to be joined to the following letter. That's why it is separate to the following letter. And that's how we know it is an alif and not a lam. So again, box 24. Alif noon, alif noon. Box number 25. Ba lam, ba lam. Box number 26. Ha wow, ha wow. Box number 27. Ha lam, ha lam. Box number 28. Lam noon, lam noon. As you have been noticing all this time, I'm reading in every box, I'm reading both of the letters together in one go, in one breath. Box number 29. Mim ayn, mim ayn. Box number 30. Jim noon, jim noon. Box number 31. Ha ya, ha ya. And the last box, box number 32. Ayn noon, ayn noon. Jazakallah khairan, students. I hope you practice, and inshallah, until the next lesson, take care. And ma'as salam. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.